Everyone. My name is Tessa Olson, and I live in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, where, as you can see, it's currently still Christmas. Um, just kidding, I'm too lazy to take down my Christmas decorations. But I am taking this class because I am applying to PA school, and this is my first UNE class. Pretty excited about it. I love online classes and learning at my own pace. And part of that is because I am a full-time employee at a large facility, a large hospital in Sioux Falls here. And I'm a diagnostic radiology supervisor, which basically means I take x-rays, manage employees. Sometimes I think I'm a glorified phone operator, and I love it. I work alongside a lot of PAs, and that kind of is what led me to pursue a career as a PA. And so I've been working really hard on my application and making sure that my prerequisites are all up to date. I say up to date because I'm a little older than your traditional student. I have a bachelor's degree in science and radiology, as well as a master's degree in business and healthcare administration. So clearly I love to learn, and it's kind of been a lifelong passion of mine, which is what gets me back to going to school in the first place. As for the rest of the information about me, if it's okay with you, maybe I'll just show you. It's kind of fun that way, I think. So I have been married, 9.5 years, almost 10, to an amazing man, and I owe a lot of what I have to him. He's so sweet and wonderful. So we've been really lucky. No kids between the two of us, but we do have some pretty adorable dogs, probably the most adorable dogs. I am the oldest of 5, which you might not know by looking at these pictures, because I am definitely the shortest and the blondest. And so a little bit of a black sheep, or blonde sheep, I guess, if you want to call it that. But I love my family. They're pretty great. As far as hobbies go, I am an avid, definitely amateur baker, but I have a passion for cakes and cupcakes. And because of all my baking, I have to have an outlet. Otherwise, I would probably weigh a half ton. And so I have taken up running, and this year I will have signed up for my 5th half marathon. My favorite one was in Las Vegas, so I highly recommend that if you ever get the chance to. And some of you may hate me for this, but I can't help it. I'm also a huge Green Bay Packers fan. I am a self-proclaimed coffee addict, and I love TV shows like Friends and The Office, and I'm just kind of an all-around fun person, I like to think. So anyway, I can't wait to get to know all of you and see all your videos. I see some of you are also applying for PA school, and I think this is going to be a fun class, so I can't wait. Let's get started.